said you were facing, what was it, 190?
189.
189 years?
Yeah.
Okay.
How, man? How does that happen? Come on, brothers and sisters. You're facing 189 years, but you only got to serve 27 months. Oh, come on, y'all. Is that justice? Hey, wait a minute. Is that justice?
You don't want to put yourself at the seat,
Yes.
but you still want to give information to the police to get out of jail.
Yes.
Okay, and your first instinct, the very first thing you did is say, I wasn't there, but someone confessed to me what happened, right?
Yes.
And that confession was wholly made up. It was a lie. That confession never occurred.
Yes, it never.
Okay. Investigators bring up the Donovan Thomas case. In that same interview, you say, I wasn't there, but I have information that can maybe get me some help, right?
Yes.
Get me out of jail, get me leniency.
Yes.
And it was a confession that someone just told you. That's the information you had.
Your Honor, these are asked and answered.
That was a lie.
Your Honor, asked and answered.
Completely made up.
Asked and answered.
Let's talk about these lies that you told, how they worked out for you.
Your Honor, and I, with respect to the commentary, I object.
You said you were facing, what was it, 190?
189.
189 years?
Yeah.
Okay. You pled guilty to that 2015 case in what, 2017?
Late
Objection,
2017.
asked and answered.
Late 2017.
Late 2017, and you were,
I was
out of those 189 years, how much time did you end up serving?
like 28 months in Rice Street, but I had another case I was fighting to.
Right, and you ended up getting 28 months, actually 27 months in Rice Street, total sentence for shooting case and the gun case, correct?
Nah, I had beat the gun charge, but they ain't never
Whatever that case is.
what case?
19
This one
SC?
here?
Oh, you're talking about their federal case.
Nah, you say I had like 4 or 5 open cases at the time.
Okay. The bottom line is, we just talking about this one case, facing, in your mind, 189 years. You get 27 months.
But I still had other cases too.
And were they wrapped into the 27 months?
Nah, it was separate.
Okay. So you got 27 months for that shooting case. You got to go home as soon as you pled, right? As soon as they released you from jail, you got credit for time served, released time served, right?
No, I said Rice Street I got credit for time served in court, but I still had 6 more.
6 more months, then you got to go home?
Yeah.
Okay. And you're on probation?
Yes.
Mr. Zachary, you've admitted to buying a gun for Kenneth Copeland, correct?
Yes.
You've admitted to being in possession of guns that were on the scene of multiple shootings,
Yes.
okay? You admitted to being present and making a video with Antonio Sledge threatening to shoot Shell Cal.
Yes.
Okay. You admitted to posing in a picture. Oh, that video with Antonio Sledge?
Yeah.
That's part of this indictment, correct?
I don't know.
Objection, Your Honor.
Okay.
Foundation.
He doesn't know, he doesn't know.
Foundation. Relevance. The jury has the indictment.
You admitted to posing in a picture with gun pointed at the camera with Demekion Garlington
Yes.
with the caption, "We bring homicide."
Yes.
That's charged in this indictment, right?
Objection, Your Honor.
You don't know?
Sustained.
Okay. Were you ever put on this indictment?
Objection, Your Honor. Relevance. Foundation.
Were you ever charged under this indictment?
Nah, they know they ain't never wanted to charge me.
Okay. So you were facing 189 years.
Objection. Asked and answered.
I know what the rest of the question's going to be.
You served 27 months, and then you were left off this indictment.
Objection.
Right?
Asked and answered, Judge.
Yes, sustained.
You would agree that the lies you told back in 2015 and 2017, it worked out pretty well for you, didn't it?
Objection, Your Honor. Improper question bolstering.
Overruled.
Like, that's what I'm trying to tell you. I never took no plea even when they were offering me. I never took no plea.
I understand.
And I got right out and met with Shannon lawyer and told him I was lying. Like,
Was that me?
no, he had another lawyer.
Okay.
But I never, even my last case I just caught, they were offering pleas for, I was locked up 4-5 months, they offering pleas to my upcoming cases. I never knew what they were. I never took no plea. I said 4 more years, even when they were offering me time served.
Okay.
I never wanted to take no plea to go home. I was just young at the time, and as I learned,
The truth is, Mr. Zachary, that you did lie and you didn't want to be here today.
Objection. Asked and answered.
Sustained.
Okay. You didn't want to be here today because you knew these lies were going to come out.
no, I wanted to be here. That way I can clear the lies up. Like, I've been trying for years. This ain't that new. As his old lawyer, I've been trying to clear them up. This ain't new. They know that.
You're on probation?
Yes.
Okay. Until recently, you had an attorney, correct?
I never knew about the attorney until he showed up while I was in the hospital.
Okay.
I
But
guess.
that is correct?
Yes.
Okay. Were you aware that in open court,
Objection, Your Honor, as to whether or not I'd ask that the witness be required to give a foundation for anything done while he wasn't in here, considering the rule of sequestration.
involved him, were
I don't
you
know what the
aware
question's
that
gonna
in open court, DA Love wanted to remind your attorney
Objection,
that
Your
you're on
Honor,
20 years
that is
probation?
not relevant, and that is improper, and Mr. Schardt knows that.
Sustained.
I have no further questions.